Stop overpaying for your next trip. Most travelers fall into a trap where hidden fees for bags and seats inflate the final price by nearly 45%. If you want to secure the lowest fares, you have to look past the base price and understand how the system works. Forget the old myth about booking on a specific Tuesday. Modern airfares are governed by complex algorithms that change every few seconds based on real-time demand. To win this game, look for the Goldilocks window. 1 to 3 months for domestic flights and 4 to 10 months for international routes. Booking too early can be just as expensive as booking too late. Instead of manually checking sites, set automated price alerts to catch flash sales the moment they happen. You can also try hacker fares, where you book 2 separate tickets on different airlines, which can slash costs by half. Just be careful with tight connections. Another secret is the multi-city search. Flying into a nearby city and taking a train to your destination can often save you a fortune. Don't worry about clearing your cookies. Testing shows that price shifts are usually due to general inventory, not your individual search history. Instead, focus on checking the all-in price, including baggage, before you hit buy. Being flexible and using smart tools is the only way to ensure you never pay full price again.